I kind of understood that. So there's papers, and then all those papers can get you into housing court. Then there's this initial process, right? That initial process can be anywhere from 2 to 6 months, and then you said these parts. So take me back to those parts.
So as he was mentioning, once the predicate notice is filed and the expiration passes, and they give you the notice of petition and the petition, you come to court, you answer, they give you that first court date. That is the resolution part. That's where you speak to your lawyer. From the lawyer's perspective, that's our time to file a motion. If there's a substantive or procedural defect, we would file that motion to get the case dismissed on those grounds. And in that moment, again, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months to argue the motion, right? And then once you argue the motion, the judge has to make a decision. And judges, they've been taking their sweet time, and it's
good sometimes.
It's to no prejudice, relatively speaking, to our clients, because what our clients ultimately want is time. So as a litigious civil public defender, a housing attorney, it is our prerogative to file motions when there's defenses, because one, you can get the case dismissed, and alternatively, you're giving your client time to figure out their living situation, assuming there is no substantive defense, assuming that it's a no-cause holdover where you don't have a lease, it's a market rate apartment, and your ultimate doom is you will be evicted. Right, so we're just there trying to, preserve our tenants' due process rights, because that's what it is. They like the landlord bar likes to complain that, oh, we're slowing down the cases, but no, the clients are entitled to due process, and this is what it is, and that can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. I got a decision the other day, a year after, right? I moved for discovery on a rent overcharge where I had reason to believe that the landlord was conducting fraud and deceptive practices and illegally charging the incorrect rent to a rent stabilized tenant. And the judge took a year to write the decision, right? And, there's two sides of that coin. One side is my client gets time to figure out how to get the money. Second is arrears is accruing in that time frame as well. So these are the type of things that we have to think about in terms of what's in our client's best interest in that.